Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make fluffy and melt in mouth donuts. For this we will need some milk. To it I'm going to add 1 egg, some yeast, salt, sugar, and I will beat it well and keep aside. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like buttons to comment, share, and please press the bell button if you want an update on my new videos. Now to this I'm going to add my all-purpose flour, and I will mix it well till it forms a rough dough. This dough needs lot of kneading, so I'm going to put a oil on the work surface, and I am going to now put my dough and knead it till it gets the nice texture. This is the process which makes your dough very fluffy and your donuts become very soft. And when you bite into them, they will be like a cotton melting in your mouth. Once the dough gets smooth, I'm going to add some butter. I'm adding the cold butter. It will melt as I go on playing with my dough. This butter in the dough makes them moist and also gives them a delicious taste. It nearly took for me 15 minutes to knead this dough. The more you knead, the more soft donuts you will get. Here I have greased my same bowl with some olive oil, and then I am going to place my dough and cover it with a cling wrap to proof for around 1 or 1.5 hours. It all depends upon the temperature of your room. Now I am going to cut few pieces of the butter paper or the parchment paper and keep it aside. It's been 1.5 hours since my dough is getting ready. Now I will dust a little flour on the surface. This is the dough which I had made. See, it's nice and soft. And now I'm going to put it on the work surface, and I will roll it and cut it with the donut mold. If you don't have the donut mold, you can cut it with some lid of any bottle or anything, whatever you have in your kitchen. You can even cut it with the cookie cutters to give a different shape. Please excuse me here as my baby wanted to cut the dough. She loves donuts, so she had asked me to make the donuts for her. So she wanted to cut them, so please excuse me if y'all are getting bored with this video. Now I'm going to place all the donuts on the parchment paper and keep it aside. This makes me very easy to fry them later as it doesn't lose the shape. Now I will cover all these donuts and proof it for around more 2 hours. It's been 2 hours and see, they have nicely come up. Now I'm going to heat some oil in a deep pan and I'm going to like this put my donut and fry them on the slow flame. You have to fry them on the slow flame so that they get cooked from inside. And here my donuts are ready. You can you can decorate the donuts as you want. I have just glazed my donuts.